Background on it. So this, guys, is known as a handpan. They've only been around for about 26 years now. Everybody said, you know, like some ancient sort of musical instrument you find in a back street in sort of Cairo or something. But the two Swiss guys went to the Caribbean, and you know the old oil drums they play with the old stick. They had this idea where they convert it and turn it round, so then you can play it just with your fingers. And the other thing, you won't try this today, that I can feel the vibrations coming.
Alright, yeah.
Yeah.
So it's
Unbelievable. So I want to put it on. Some of the kids have to just play a little tune, put it on the lad, put it on the check, just quick. See if you, is that alright?
yeah.
Yeah, so I've only been sort of practicing 6 months, so I'm not the best, not the worst. Yeah, so here we go.
You see, to give you more information about this, this also, it can work for healing when people have got problems. When Alan plays it and the drum beep beep beep, it vibrates, and you get the vibrations into your body. And people sometimes have got bad chests or things wrong with them. It can heal them.
Yeah.
And it is a proper thing what can help a lot of people with difficulties. So, just thought I'd
So
just
mate,
put
that's
that
really
in.
annoying. Bang on. So after maybe we can try it, Evan. I can put it on his chest and just play it a little bit. Yeah. Anyway, I'll do another couple of songs first.
See, these, like Alan said, there, in the Caribbean, where the African Caribbean people play their music, all the rastas and people like this, they have these oil drums, only it's the other way up. And they play on like an old, you know, the drum when the oil comes in, the big round. Have you ever seen them? Yes. And they've got these, but this is the other way up. So it sends vibration, so it can help, a lot of times it can help people with problems. So it's fantastic. Yeah. I've never seen one before.
I know it sounds like a comfy chair, but I can feel it coming through
Yeah.
Feel the vibration coming inside the body, like when it's coming through this.
Does anybody want to volunteer to put it on your chest?
There's no, you can't do anything. All you need to do is just lie down. I'll just play a quick song, and then any volunteer.
Anybody brave enough? Marvin? Yeah?
Alright, so you want to just lie down, yeah, buddy? Not to, if it's uncomfortable, just let me know, you know? Ah, yeah, that way. Yeah. Just going to place it over your solar plexus, yeah? See if you can balance it there. Does that feel okay?
So when you play it now, the vibrations go right through your body, innit?